All right, here I've got some sodium chloride. I'm gonna open up this. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna execute this very. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man. Oh ow! Shit! Can I even hold this? Can I like? Oh fuck! What if I? Let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Okay. To do this really fast. Right. Yeah, I'm not doing this anymore. I'm done. This is sodium hydroxide, which is also called NaOH. And this is hydrochloric acid. For your information, I'm gonna try putting this pipette and just take a drop. Just take a drop. Just what the frick is happening, man? It's not taking a drop, man. It's not taking a drop. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna take a drop. We just. Alright. Yeah, that should do it. Alright. I'm gonna put this. Test the pH. Sheesh. That's an instant red. Alright. Well, that's an acid then. Now I'm gonna put it in the tube which contains water. Okay, so now we can see that there's some bubbles in the tube. I mean, it's not that visible, but it's something. Okay, you know what? Try smelling this. Oh my. Note, this is Kanish here again. Make sure you don't smell that thing, alright? And make sure you're wearing gloves. You see, these are actually concentrated solutions, so you need protection. Okay, now you can continue watching. Alright, now I have to take some sodium hydroxide. Right, let me just open this. It's not opening, man. It's not opening, man. Alright, I got it open. Let's just in the good there, man. Oh, damn, okay. Alright, just take some sodium hydroxide. Alright, and then put it on the red litmus paper. Okay, it's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. Oh man, it's not doing. Okay, I spilled some. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now let's try on the blue litmus paper. Okay, I spilled some more of that. It's fine. Just look at that. Look at that. Just, oh man. Okay. Yeah, no, just begin. All right. Look at that. It's almost blue. It's not really blue yet, but that one is still the same. It's not another red. It's not red. It's just the same yet. All right. Oh man. Oh my god. Look at my hand. All right. I just covered my glove in sodium hydroxide. Now, make sure you clean your gloves right after you have done this so that there's no flaws during the experiment. Alright, now I'm going to put it into water. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. You can literally see the bubbles in there. Why? I'll tell you later. Alright, there you go. Okay, so now we know this is a base and this is an acid. Good job. Now we can go on with the actual experiment. Here's the test tube. Okay, put it there. Right. Yeah. Now, I will be taking equal amounts of HCl and NaOH so that the reaction is correct. Just right. Just put it there. Right. And then this sodium hydroxide. Right. Oh man, you can see this. Ouch, it's kind of hot. Okay, that's how hard. Just that. See, because this is an exothermic reaction, there is a production of hydrogen gas, and in some moments there's gonna be a little bit of sodium chloride or salt. Yeah, that's still kind of hot. Okay, I'm not gonna test that anymore. Okay, I left this for half an hour and I added some of the sodium hydroxide and the HCl, and you can see there's a little bit of something in there. Right, let's head with the summary. Okay then, what did we learn out of this? First of all, what we did, we took 3 solutions: water, HCl and sodium hydroxide, NaOH. We already know that the water is already neutral, but how did we know whether HCl is an acid or the sodium hydroxide was a base? How did we even know that? Using litmus paper. First, we put the hydrochloric acid on the blue litmus and the red litmus paper, and when it reacted with the blue litmus paper, it turned red instantly. Then we tried using sodium hydroxide on the both litmus papers, and the red one turned blue. Maybe. The first reaction which we did was with water and hydrochloric acid. We wanted to prove whether hydrochloric acid had H plus ions in it. So what we did, we put the hydrochloric acid into the water, and soon we can see the reaction. We can see hydronium is in liquid form and chlorine gas is on the inner lining of the wall. Some of it maybe escaped. In the second experiment, what we did, we reacted sodium hydroxide with water to check whether we get hydroxide ions. And guess what? Sodium hydroxide and water gave us OH and Na plus ions. In the third one, what we did, we reacted the acid and base. Now, if you've read this already, we know that acid and base gives us salt and water. So, we took HCl and NaOH, reacted it so that we get NaCl and H2O. You can already see that there's some residue lying on the bottom of the tube. Isn't that astonishing? Yeah. Well, science. Yeah. Oh, and some precautions. The precautions are, make sure you're wearing gloves. You do not want any of those concentrated chemicals reacting with you, because if it does, you are going to create a massive problem. Make sure to handle the glass tubes with care. Don't touch or smell the solutions, as you saw how I did. And make sure you're mixing the solutions slowly, or else. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button and like this video. Thank you.